Join me as I challenge myself to boost my gut health using just 3 simple ingredients. Can I really transform my digestion this easily? When we think about our overall health, we often focus on things like exercise, diet, and sleep. But one crucial aspect that's often overlooked is gut health. The truth is, our gut is the foundation of our well-being, and when it's out of balance, it can affect everything from our energy levels to our mood and even our skin. Did you know that millions of people around the world struggle with gut health issues every day? Bloating, indigestion, and fatigue are just a few common symptoms that can be debilitating and frustrating. And the worst part is, many of us have resigned ourselves to thinking that these issues are just a normal part of life. But what if I told you that there's a way to alleviate these symptoms without having to make drastic changes to your lifestyle or break the bank? The truth is, many of us are stuck in a cycle of discomfort and discontent, and we don't know where to turn. We've tried pills, supplements, and even extreme diets, but nothing seems to work. And that's why we need simple solutions that actually work. That's why I'm so excited to share with you 3 simple ingredients that can transform your gut health and unlock a life of vitality and energy. Let's dive into the first ingredient, which is one of my personal favorites, ginger. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory that can help reduce bloat and soothe digestive discomfort. And the best part is, you can incorporate it into your daily routine in so many ways, from adding it to your smoothies to making a warm ginger tea before bed. I like to slice up some fresh ginger and add it to my breakfast omelette for an extra kick. The second ingredient is something you might not have thought of before, kefir. Kefir is a fermented milk drink that's packed with probiotics, which can help populate your gut with good bacteria. And the benefits don't stop there. Kefir can also help boost your immune system and even support weight loss. I like to blend kefir with some frozen berries and a scoop of protein powder for a quick and easy breakfast on the go. The third and final ingredient is something that might surprise you, apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a natural digestive aid that can help reduce symptoms of IBS and even support weight loss. And the best part is, it's incredibly easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Just mix a tablespoon with water and drink it before each meal. I like to add a dash of apple cider vinegar to my salad dressings for an extra boost of flavor and nutrition. I have to share a little secret with you. When I first started incorporating these ingredients into my daily routine, I was blown away by the results. Within just a few days, my bloating and discomfort had almost disappeared, and I had more energy than I knew what to do with. It was like a weight had been lifted off my shoulders, and I felt like a new person. Incorporating these 3 simple ingredients into your daily routine can have a profound impact on your gut health and overall well-being. They're easy to find, easy to use, and can make a real difference in how you feel. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried any of these ingredients before? What was your experience like? Let me know in the comments below, and be sure to check out my other videos for more health tips and tricks.